This Whaley hammer is great for stone setting and metal forming. I'll show you a quick example of stone setting. The Whaley hammer comes with 3 tips that can be shaped and formed however you would like. For demonstration purposes, I'll use the flat, which we're going to demonstrate channel setting. I'll show you how to put this together. Remove this screw. There's 2 little nubs on there which will allow it to stay inside the collet. Put this over, screw this down, like it's tight, and now you're ready. Now that I have the tool inserted and the screw is tightened, I can show you the action that this hammer makes. As you can see, there's a pivot angle, so you can hold it at various angles. You're going to slide the hammer back and forward. The 2 nubs on the rod will stop it from going any further, and when you come down, you strike, which will put the force down to the ring. And what this does, it lets you keep the tip in place so you won't have any movement. Okay, I'll start by putting the tip on the channel, and what I want to do is start tapping lightly and then get stronger as I need, and it's going to fold the metal right over the stone. Here we go. As you can see, the tip stays in place and the channel is now folded. So you can see how this can be very useful. It is a great tool. Order yours today at stuller.com/tools.